Technology is changing leadership in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, big data, and automation has transformed how leaders make decisions, interact with teams, and shape the future of their organizations. In the past, leaders relied on intuition, personal experience, and traditional business models to guide their organizations. Today, leaders must embrace data-driven decision-making, AI-powered tools, and automation strategies to stay competitive. Those who resist these changes risk falling behind in an increasingly digital world. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how AI, big data, and automation are reshaping leadership roles. The key challenges and opportunities these technologies create for leaders. How leaders can adapt and thrive in a technology-driven workplace. This session will provide a clear understanding of how leadership must evolve to keep up with rapid technological advancements. Technology's impact on leadership. Technology has fundamentally changed how leaders operate. AI, big data, and automation are influencing leadership in three key ways. AI is transforming decision-making. Big data is providing deeper insights. Automation is reshaping workforce management. These changes are affecting every industry and forcing leaders to rethink their approach. Let's examine each one in detail. AI is transforming decision-making. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it is an active part of modern leadership. From predictive analytics to machine learning algorithms, AI helps leaders make faster, more informed decisions. How AI is changing leadership. AI-driven tools analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that humans could never process as quickly. AI can identify trends, forecast outcomes, and suggest the best course of action based on data rather than guesswork. Chatbots and virtual assistants reduce time spent on administrative tasks, allowing leaders to focus on strategic decision-making. Example, AI in corporate leadership. Many organizations use AI-driven dashboards to track employee performance, customer trends, and financial metrics in real time. This allows leaders to react immediately to changing conditions rather than waiting for quarterly reports. Challenges of AI in leadership. AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. Insufficient data can lead to poor decisions. Ethical concerns about AI-driven decision-making and potential biases must be addressed. Leaders must learn how to integrate AI into their leadership style without losing the human element of leadership. Leaders who understand how to use AI effectively will have a significant advantage in the digital world. Big data is providing deeper insights. Big data is changing leadership by making decision-making more precise and evidence-based. Instead of relying on personal experience, leaders can now make decisions based on real-time analytics and predictive modeling. How big data is reshaping leadership. Leaders can analyze customer behavior, employee performance, and market trends to make more accurate predictions. Businesses can personalize products and services based on data insights, improving customer satisfaction. Real-time dashboards allow leaders to track progress and adjust strategies instantly. Example, data-driven leadership in action. Retail companies use big data to predict shopping trends and optimize inventory. Amazon's recommendation system is powered by big data, allowing it to suggest products based on customer behavior and preferences. Challenges of big data for leaders. Too much data can lead to analysis paralysis, where leaders are overwhelmed by excessive information. Data security is a major issue. Leaders must ensure their organizations handle data responsibly and ethically. Not all leaders are comfortable with data-driven decision-making, requiring a shift in mindset and training. Leaders who learn to filter and interpret big data effectively can make smarter, faster, and more accurate decisions. Automation is reshaping workforce management. Automation is changing how leaders structure and manage teams. Routine tasks are now being handled by AI-powered systems and robotic process automation, RPA, freeing employees to focus on higher-value work. How automation is changing leadership. Repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and customer support are now automated. Leaders must redefine job roles as automation takes over routine work. Employees must be reskilled to work alongside automation tools rather than being replaced by them. Example, automation in changing leadership. Financial firms use automated algorithms to handle transactions and fraud detection, significantly reducing manual work. Leaders in these firms must now focus on strategy, innovation, and human capital management instead of routine tasks. Challenges of automation for leaders. Employees may fear job loss, leading to resistance against automation. Leaders must balance efficiency with employee well-being, ensuring that automation supports rather than replaces human workers. Organizations need new training programs to help employees transition into more strategic roles. Successful leaders will embrace automation as a tool for efficiency while helping employees adapt to new roles in the workplace. How leaders must adapt. With AI, big data, and automation reshaping leadership, leaders must develop new skills to remain effective. Successful digital leaders must be open to data-driven decision-making instead of relying on past experience alone. Develop AI literacy to understand how technology can support business goals. Encourage a culture of learning so employees can adapt to automation and evolving job roles. Lead with empathy by addressing employee concerns about job security and workplace changes. Organizations that prioritize leadership development in these areas will be better positioned for the future.